You ever wonder why it feels like every Gen Z is broke? Like, you get paid on Friday and by Monday your bank account is already crying. And by Wednesday? Yup, it's instant noodle season again. Here's the thing. It's not just you, and it's not just bad spending habits. There are real reasons why Gen Z is struggling with money, but also real fixes. So let's break it down. First, cost of living. Everything is expensive. Rent, groceries, healthcare, all up. Back in the 90s, a college grad could cover rent with a single paycheck. Today, a one-bedroom in most U.S. cities eats up half your income. Half. So if you feel broke, it's not in your head. You're living in the most expensive timeline. Second, student loans and stagnant income. Gen Z graduates with debt the size of a mortgage. And while everything around us gets pricier, starting salaries barely move. It's like running a marathon where the finish line keeps moving further away. No wonder we're exhausted. Third, lifestyle creep and FOMO. Scroll TikTok or Instagram, and everyone's flexing. New iPhones, Bali vacations, designer sneakers. So what do? Swipe the credit card and join in. That's lifestyle creep. Every time you earn more, you spend more. And FOMO? It's fun, sure. But Instagram isn't paying your rent. All right, enough doom and gloom. Let's talk solutions. Because yes, Gen Z struggles with money. But no, we're not doomed. Step one, start a budget. Not the boring kind. Just the simple 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. It's not about restriction, it's about direction. When every dollar has a job, you stop wondering, where did my money go? Step two, build an emergency fund. Even $500 makes a huge difference. One flat tire won't have to become a credit card disaster. Think of it as buying yourself peace of mind. Step three, automate your savings. Because let's be real, if it depends on willpower, Netflix and Uber Eats will win every single time. Set up an auto transfer the moment you get paid. Future you will say thanks. And step four, side hustles. We live in a time where you can earn money with just Wi-Fi and a laptop, freelancing, reselling thrift clothes, selling Notion templates, or even making content like this. No permission slip needed, just start. So yeah, Gen Z struggled with money, but struggling forever? That's optional. Start small today, and you'll thank yourself tomorrow. And hey, if this helped, hit subscribe. Because being broke is temporary, but financial freedom? That's the real flex.